Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select accessibility from the left side, you can see here, then select display and text size. Okay, then you can see option of large text, second option from the top. Okay, now it is turned on, turned off, so you can simply turn on this feature from here. Simply tap on that button to turn on this feature, and it is here that this app support dynamic type and will be adjust your preferred reading size. So you can simply adjust this bar to increase the text size. You can see here, if you are facing any visual problems or eye problems, you can simply large your text up to this size. You can see here. So that's guys, you can simply large your hypertext size to that size, and also you can adjust it to low size. In accessibility settings, there is much more bigger text options. Okay, so in this way you can simply adjust your text size. It is so useful, you can see it. So that's guys, in this way you can simply increase your ipad text size. Now I'm not setting this because I don't need this. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of android or iphone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.